So on today's video, I'm making a tripod stand, just so that when the dogs come out running around, and when it's on, I think it extends 4 times, so it's like a telescopic tripod. So when you're on highest extension, it's flimsy, the wind can blow it over, and it's not high enough, you know, like to be head level or look a bit over my shoulder whilst I'm carving. So I use my phone to do all the recording, editing, everything. So it's just a tripod that holds my phone. I've got Erbauer impact driver with a 32mm self-drive spade bit. So it's got like a little screw on the end that pulls it in. It's less work. But I would recommend wearing a mask, because as you could see a bit earlier on in the video, I've got big lumps of wood in my face and maybe lungs. But yeah, so I've got a secure, no worrying about the phone when the dogs are out. They can knock it all they want. And I whack it in there now, and I give it a good slap. And the last slap, I reckon if I slapped it any harder it might snap, that flimsy little thing, but at least it won't fall over now. So yeah, 1 minute 45 second job. Boom, easy as that. Give it a slap, that's it. Sturdy. Right, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, let's get 50 subscribers.